Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ3A, a 27-inch QHD gaming monitor that's been making waves in the gaming community. Before you make a choice on your next gaming display, watch this comprehensive review where we've done all the research for you, and don't forget to check the description for the best price available right now. In this video we'll evaluate everything that matters, from price and performance to real-world gaming scenarios. Let's dive right in and get started. The ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQ3A absolutely shines with its incredible 180Hz refresh rate at 2560x1440 resolution, delivering that perfect sweet spot between visual clarity and buttery smooth performance that competitive gamers crave. This monitor is specifically designed for professional gamers and enthusiasts who demand exceptional responsiveness without sacrificing image quality. What immediately sets this monitor apart is the revolutionary ASUS Extreme Low Motion Blur Sync technology, which allows ELMB and variable refresh rate technologies to work simultaneously. This means you're getting ghost-free, tear-free visuals even during the most intense gaming sessions. The IPS panel ensures outstanding color accuracy with 130% sRGB gamut coverage, making everything from fast-paced shooters to atmospheric RPGs look absolutely stunning. Moreover, the comprehensive adaptive sync support is remarkable. You're getting FreeSync Premium, G-Sync compatibility, and VESA Adaptive Sync all rolled into one package. This triple compatibility ensures seamless performance regardless of whether you're running an AMD or NVIDIA graphics card. The monitor intelligently enables VRR by default, eliminating screen tearing and stuttering across a wide range of frame rates. The HDR10 support enhances the visual experience further by delivering deeper blacks and brighter highlights, though some users may find the peak brightness somewhat limited compared to premium HDR displays. However, for a monitor at the $239.99 price point with a solid 4.5-star Amazon rating, this is an acceptable compromise that most gamers won't even notice during regular use. Additionally, the 27-inch size hits the gaming sweet spot monodel, large enough for immersive gameplay without requiring excessive head movement. The QHD resolution provides 78% more pixels than standard 1080p, ensuring crisp text and detailed textures that really pop on the IPS panel. Professional gamers will particularly appreciate the 1 ms response time that virtually eliminates motion blur during fast-paced action. Furthermore, ASUS includes some impressive extras in the box. You'll get a DisplayPort cable, L-shaped screwdriver for easy assembly, power adapter with cord, quick start guide, and warranty card. The 3-month Adobe Creative Cloud subscription adds genuine value for content creators who game and create on the same setup. The build quality follows ASUS's TUF gaming philosophy with military-grade durability and a design that screams performance without being overly aggressive. The monitor features comprehensive ergonomic adjustments including height, tilt, swivel, and pivot, ensuring optimal viewing angles for marathon gaming sessions. One notable downside is that while the 180Hz refresh rate is exceptional, users coming from 240Hz or 360Hz displays might notice the difference in ultra-competitive scenarios. However, the superior color accuracy and higher resolution more than compensate for this in most gaming situations. For competitive FPS players, MMO enthusiasts, and even creative professionals who game, this monitor delivers outstanding value. The combination of high refresh rate, excellent color reproduction, and comprehensive adaptive sync support makes it suitable for everything from Valorant and CS:GO to Cyberpunk 2077 and Final Fantasy IV. You got it. So that's it for the best gaming monitor value on the market for this year. Like this video, comment if you're gonna buy it, or share your impressions, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews.